Imagine the silence. It's the early hours of November 12th. The tech world is asleep. The big flash events are done. We think the year is over. And then it happens. No event, no keynote, no multi-million-dollar presentation. Just new products appearing on the Apple Store, dropped like a silent special ops mission. That right there is Apple's ultimate power move. When you are this big, you don't need to shout. You whisper and the world stops to listen. This isn't a fantasy. This is a very real possibility. The setup. Why now? Rumors are swirling. Employees are being told to prep new marketing materials overnight. That frantic last-second preparation almost always means one thing: hardware. But why now? The heavy hitters like the iPhone 17 and M5 Power Max have already landed. So what's left to drop? The most important pieces of all. We're talking about the other army, the quiet soldiers, the devices that for millions of people are the real Apple ecosystem. The glue that holds the entire empire together. The three products. The game changer. We are diving deep into the three products rumored to be part of this stealth strike. A new Apple TV, a new generation of AirTags, and a new HomePod mini. If you think, that's it? A streaming box, a tracker, and a tiny speaker. You're missing the entire game. This is about the foundation for Apple's next 10 years. These aren't just accessories. They're the brain, the senses, and the voice of your future home. Focus 1. The brain Apple TV. Let's start with the most misunderstood, potentially most powerful device, the Apple TV. It's fast, it's clean, but the hardware inside is ancient. The big rumor? It's jumping straight to an A17 chip. This is about putting the brain of a high-end iPhone into your television. This makes it a legitimate stealthy gaming console, a Trojan horse. But the real story is AI. The A17 allows for instant upscaling of old footage, and Siri will finally stop being a punchline. The Apple TV isn't a box for your TV. It is your TV. It is the command center, the main hub for the smart home. Focus 2. The senses AirTags. Piece number 2, the AirTag. It's a simple, boring, perfect little white circle. It relies on the Find My network, a global, invisible mesh. How do you upgrade a product that's nearly perfect? The rumor is a new next-generation ultra-wideband chip. We're not talking about finding your keys in the living room. We're talking about your phone's AR camera showing you an arrow pointing under the specific magazine where they slid. This level of precision changes everything. The new AirTag becomes the second piece of Apple's grand plan. If the Apple TV is the brain, the AirTags are the senses, the notes that tell the AI where all your physical stuff is in real time. Focus 3. The voice HomePod mini. Now Apple has a brain and senses. What's missing? A voice. The HomePod mini. It's been years. Let's be honest, as a smart speaker, it's dumb. Siri on the HomePod is tragically bad. Apple has been losing the smart home war. The new HomePod mini is getting a much faster, much smarter chip. This is about one thing: redeeming Siri. The new chip means Apple Intelligence can run on the device. It's fast. The HomePod mini becomes the access point, the physical microphone and speaker for the giant AI brain Apple is building. This is the voice. Conclusion. The unified system. This is why this boring November drop is the most exciting thing Apple has done all year. This is the real launch of the Apple Smart Home. You walk into your living room. The Apple TV, the brain, recognizes you. The new HomePod mini, the voice, comes alive. Welcome home. I see you just got back from the gym. I'll start your post-workout playlist. This isn't three separate products. It's one system. Apple has been quietly building the infrastructure for its next great conquest, the home. They're building a home that thinks, a home that works for you in unison. 1317. Outro: The Silent Conquest. They're doing it with a quiet, devastatingly smart tactical strike, dropping the three simple, boring pieces of hardware that, when combined, create a fortress. A brain, a network of senses, and a voice. Apple is quietly, without any fireworks at all, changing your entire world. The real question is, are you ready for it? Let me know in the comments. Which silent soldier is the real game changer?